Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Samsung folder. Right over, where is it? Oh, there we go, right here. Once you have it open, click on the three bars. There we go, and you want to select the Manage Contacts option. Select Import Contacts. Choose where you want to import them from. I'll be selecting my SIM card. This will in turn display all the contacts that are on my SIM card, and I can select all of them by clicking right here in the corner for a quick selection of all contacts. Maybe I don't want all, but most. I can deselect some of those. Click on Done, and then select where you want to import the contacts to. For me, there is only one option, which is the tablet, but if you have something like Samsung or Google accounts, they will also show up here in this list. And then click on Import. And that's it. Now all the selected contacts are imported to my contacts list. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.